Hey, March the 2nd, 2026. Moving out of our old Nomad van, 2000 Express 2500, into the 2019 3500 extended van. Much more room. We're going to be this will be its initial road trip. We're going to be reviewing a bunch of products. Some we've already reviewed, but we will be reviewing these for Nomad gear and tech gear. We will be reviewing this little Ryobi 12 volt or 110 volt heater, either one. We will be reviewing the Insta360 X3 and X5 with the selfie sticks. The Insta360 or Insta selfie sticks. We will be reviewing again the Osmo Action 5 camera. Let's see, what else are we going to be reviewing? We'll be reviewing that Cumming Onan's P2500 generator inverter. We may review this Rad mini folding 750 watt bicycle. And maybe some other stuff, I don't know. So right along with us, we're going to head to South Georgia. I was trying to get out of here yesterday, trying to get out of here today. It looks like we may finally get out of here tomorrow. We're going to do some more work on the Jeep too. We won't be taking our EcoFlow portable air conditioner heater, but it works really good. I have a video of that. We won't be taking our Eco battery inverter, solar battery inverter, and the solar cells. We've already got a review of those too, but we will be doing another one, but not right away. We will be doing a review of that little Ryobi light up there. We'll be using it. And I tell you, I thought I might be able to get by without moving these bins over into this new van. And I don't need all this stuff. I can get rid of some of that stuff, but a lot of that stuff I do need. And this gives me the option to lock up. I can lock those 4 drawers. I can lock that bottom bin. I can lock that bin up there. So we will be swapping these over into the 2019. I don't know why it stopped recording, but anyway, we will be doing reviews. We'll be moving these bins over at some point, but we got to empty all that stuff out and get them transferred over here and, like I said, fabricate something. I don't think it'd be hard to attach the top up there because we can just drill some holes and get some nuts behind the bolts up there. But down here it's going to be a little different way it attaches. But yeah, we'll be reviewing a bunch of these things. So we'll have these products tagged on this video, so be looking for them. If you buy some of these products, I will get a small percentage sale, and you should get a pretty good deal on them. I think it'll be a discount. And also the Epic water filters, you can get, I think, 15, maybe 25, or even 40% discount on those. We will be reviewing the Ever Pure Anywhere bottle and also the pitcher. We got the pitcher. And so we'll be using it for campsite water and stuff like that. And I think we can get a filter for it, an anywhere filter for it too. So let's try to get this finished up. I don't know that we'll get it pulled out till tomorrow morning, but and we're getting about 18 miles a gallon in this one, where we get about 12.5 to 13 in that one. So that's going to be a huge savings. Yeah, we got to figure out what we're going to do about that bulkhead too. I don't not like it. I wish it had a door in it. I keep trying to figure out if there's some way I can fabricate a door in it. I know there is, but it may be more trouble than I want to deal with. I just don't know. Our house batteries will go over there. We're not going to take them this trip. And our EcoFlow solar inverter battery. We'll go over there with them. Let's see what else. I said we're gonna have to get these bins in. We're gonna need more space than just trying to stack stuff. This just isn't gonna work. It'll cut our space down, but we've got about 2 feet more in this van than we got in our old one anyway. So we'll have more room. And get that bulkhead out of there. These seats should go back a little bit further. We should have more room up here in the front too. Yeah, we will be reviewing this 4-cycle True Fuel with our generator too. We've already used it. It's good. We really like it. We'll be tagging a bunch of these products so you can find them. And also this Ryobi impact wrench, and we've got it reviewed it. We'll show you and demonstrate it, how we use it as well. So we'll be tagging quite a few products for you to check out on this trip. So follow along and see what we get into. We're going to catch the Satilla River, the St. Mary's River, or that's our intention. Our intentions don't always come to fruition, but we're going to try to get down there for about a week, see how it works out. Yeah, I've got to decide what I'm going to do. I don't need 3 vans. Bought this one new in 2000, April of 2000, so another month this one will be 26 years old. But it's a standard size. I bought that 98 as a parts van, but it's in such good shape. I put some money in it. I don't want to part it out. I'm thinking about keeping it and the new one and selling mine, but with that rebuilt engine and transmission in it, I hate to get rid of that 2000. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Nomad life. I need to keep 2. I needed 1 as a spare. Got that 95 Grand Cherokee for sale too. Bought it new April of 95. It'll be 31 years old next month. Runs and drives great. Got 400,000 miles on it, but needs a rear main seal, but paint's in good shape. I've got the battery out of it right now, so it won't go dead. But hope to be getting on the road in the morning or either later this afternoon. So follow along and see what all we get into. May go to Trader Hill on the St. Mary's, stay a night. We'll just see what we get into. Okay, we're here in Tate, Georgia, looking at the railroad here, Patriot Rail. 3804, 3805. We're going to get our girl to tell us about these locomotives. 9708, a D32, $38.10. Diesel fuel, so they must be diesel electric. Is that? I see some stacks up there. I guess we've got exhaust. Big fuel tanks. And if they're pure diesels or diesel electric, track to excellence. And this may be for editorial use only, if this logo is copyright.